family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar Tree. Picked up some items. Now, I did these items in two transactions, maybe like two transactions. So I went one day and then I turned around and I seen some other stuff and I said that I was going back to get it. So it was luckily that some of these items that I was looking for was still there. And then some items I just seen and was like, oh, I'm going to need that in my household. So I got household stuff. I got Christmas stuff. I have DIY stuff. So I got a lot of different things. So I seen more items out there, some Christmas items, and then also some regular items that I want to actually put into my, bring into the home. I'm looking Lord, I can't even get it together. I'm looking out for the Bed Bath, and think it's Bed Bath and Beyond. Yeah, Bed Bath and Beyond. That Lazy Susan, the big Lazy Susan that they have. I'm looking for that. And also the other little items that they have that Dollar Tree is bringing in. But the Dollar Trees that I went to, either they had them and somebody seen them and bought them all, or they probably haven't got it yet. I don't know. So I'm still in the hunt for it. So I'm going to go ahead and get to this video to show you exactly what I got. So, every item on here is $1.25. I did not pick up no items from the $3 or the $5 aisle. So like I said, every item out here is $1.25. So let's go ahead and get to it. So the first thing I got was I seen these LED projector lights. This one is the snowman. If you can see it, that's the snowman. And it's in the red one. This one is a green one. And this is Santa with the reindeers, with Rudolph leading them across the moon. So that's that one. And then the other one that I picked up was the truck, the red truck with the Christmas tree on the back. And that is green. And these are from the Christmas house. The Christmas house really has some good things. They have some good items. Then the next thing, this is from the Christmas house too, this LED projector. I went ahead and got the red. I should have got the green too, but I went ahead and got the red because some of them that was green, there was one green. Somebody had pressed I don't know if they thought it was one of them things that you press down or whatever, but those was broken. So I just picked up this red one. And I should have looked at it. Somebody had already cut it on. I usually don't pick up items when things are already cut on, but I went ahead and picked it up anyway. All right, the next thing is these glue sticks, the Crafter Square. They have the small ones, which this is 20. It's 20 in here. Yeah, it's 20 of them in here. And then they also have the long ones. You either can get the long ones or the short ones. It doesn't matter. The long ones got a little bit less. I think it's only probably about 10 in there, I think. So I got that. Now, I had been on the hunt I had been seeing these collapsible baskets. I should have picked up 2 of them, but I can always go back, hopefully, to that one Dollar Tree that I seen that I hadn't been to in a long time. I don't even know if I even been in that one. But anyway, I picked this one up, this collapsible basket. That's how it looks when it's open. I didn't want to open it yet. Then I had seen these screws. I didn't know if my husband would need these type of screws, so I got some drywall dry wall screws. And screws for $1.25, y'all, come on now. These are usually like about $5 or $6, maybe a little higher. Then these construction wood screws. I think he'll probably need these. But they only had, I think, one of the construction wood screw, I believe. I'm not for sure. Then, I hit my phone. Sorry about that, y'all. Then I got this level magnetic bottom, which, you know, this is good for hanging items and leveling on your walls so it won't be crooked. All right, so I got that. Then the next thing I picked up this snowman cup, which is really cute. This is going to be really cute for the month that I'm going to use this the whole month of December for Christmas. Starting December the 1st, I'm going to use this mug right here. Also, I'm looking for I think that there's a, gingerbread. I think it's a gingerbread mug too, but they just had this one and Santa Claus. I did not want the Santa Claus one. So I got this snowman, so I'm on the hunt for the gingerbread. If I don't get it, then it is what it is. Hopefully it'll come back next year. So I'm going to be using this for my coffee and my tea for the whole month of December. So I probably will post a picture and let you see my coffee and how I do my coffee in the morning. And I might do that. It probably be on my community tab, or I'll probably do a short. That's what I'll probably do, a short on it. All right. The next thing is these candy canes. Okay. So I got 4 of these candy canes. The other ones are hanging up right here. So I got 4 candy canes. Now, these was out, I think, last year, but I didn't pick them up because by the time I was about to go get them, they was all gone, y'all. All gone. Somebody had racked them, took them all, honey. So you put them in the stick in the ground, and they LEDs. LED can't see, it says 30-inch LED candy canes, okay? And this is from the Christmas house, too. The next thing I got was these beautiful, beautiful reindeers. Just look at it. It looks more than $1.25, y'all. More than $1.25. These look like you can sell these in Macy's or if Nordstrom's or whatever, because they are beautiful. When I seen these, they had 3, but I didn't want 3. I just wanted 2. So when I seen these, I said, you know what? I'm going to pick 2 up. And I like to get things in 2s. I don't know why. It's just me. I just like getting them in 2s. But if I see any more, I probably will pick them up. This is a good, and they ornaments. And they from the Christmas house too. So these are so beautiful. It says decor. So it's not an ornament. It is somewhere you can just set it. And that's probably where I do, is set it out when I store decorating. The next thing are these lights. These LED lights. I got the Christmas tree. You got the snowflakes. And then you have Santa. And these are so cute. So I got those 3. I think they had, and these are from the Christmas house too. I think they have the truck, but I didn't want the truck. The truck is cute. Don't get me wrong. The truck is cute, but I just didn't want the truck. Then also I got from the crafter section, I got some glitter pots. These are going to be good for me doing my crafting, my soaping, all different things. I can just sprinkle a little bit of here, there. So that's silver, there's gold, and then some gold stars. Then I got from the crafter spot, I hadn't seen these, the crafter square, I'm sorry, but it's from the crafter spot that's on the aisle. 4 flakes. When I seen this, and you know, you can make this, use these for different things on crafting. When I seen this, I was like, wow, that is really nice. because, you know, it comes in gold, silver, and I think rose gold that I've seen them in the, you know, in other stores, but they only had that I seen was silver. The gold and the rose gold, probably somebody probably already done got them, but this is the only color that I seen. Then the other thing I got was this light. Let me take it out of here. They had them all hanging, not all of them hang up. They had some of them hanging up, but this is a light, and you can cut it on in the back. There's no screw that you don't have to use it. You can just pull it down to put the light bulb in. But this is a light, and this is good for like if you have a power outage or outside. Let's see, there it is. And it takes AAA batteries. And they had some in a box. So I said, let me get the stuff that in the box. So I went ahead and got the box with the little cover on it. Then the last thing I got was these ice cube trays, and these are so cute. It's got the little penguins. I'll put it on. Let me show you on the back. They got the penguins. So I got these. So if anybody's interested in penguins, which I like Christmas penguins too, or just regular penguins. And then here are the reefs. Let me show you on the back. And these are from Christmas House too. Yep, these are from, I can't even, I'm gonna show you the last one on there and I'll show you. And these are like suckers and candy. I'll show you on the back. Candy canes and candy. All right, so let me show you. See, the Christmas House. The Christmas House has a lot of nice things. So yeah, that's everything that I got, which I probably am not finished because this year, Christmas ornaments, Christmas items, it seemed like it's a little bit nicer because last year, I don't know what it was last year that I did not do a whole lot of Christmas in Dollar Tree. But I know this is not a Dollar General haul, but y'all, check out Dollar General too. Their items are a little, if you have a Dollar General, check out them too. Their items are a little 25 cents less than what Dollar Tree is. And they have some nice Christmas items. I'm just waiting on theirs to go on sale. Some of them they'll go on sale. Hopefully this year, 50% off. But back to Dollar Tree. But this right here, y'all, is everything that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. And yeah, I just love this reindeer. This crystal reindeer decor. I just love it. It is so, so pretty. So pretty. I just love it. Just love it. But this right here is my Dollar Tree haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nonda's Shop.